What is going on, everybody? Back to another video on this beautiful day with this beautiful car and this beautiful brand new garage. So for today, for this car, I actually bought a new diffuser. I don't know if I want to place it underneath this diffuser I have on now, or if I should take this diffuser off so the exhaust sticks out more. I'm gonna test fit it and see if it can fit with that diffuser on, because I see a lot of cars with a diffuser like this on with that one. If that doesn't fit or work out, then I'm gonna take that diffuser off and then just stick this one on. This one's a top secret diffuser, which is so nice. You already know in the last video how we got the hood and the fenders done. Right, there are already holes for the brackets there and there. This is used, this is not new. So I'm gonna start jacking up the car now and then just test fitting and trying to install it. I'll get back to you guys when I actually get farther into this project. So this is how it's coming out so far. I had to cut the back by the exhaust a little bit right there so it can fit through. It does touch the muffler, so we're gonna figure that out. This is how it's gonna look. This is how it's looking so far. Looks actually pretty good. All right, Chris came here to help out. So we got this side up and then we bolted it with a bracket underneath there. Just touching the muffler, but that shouldn't be a big problem. Now we're just focusing on lifting this side up a little bit to be flush with that side. A metal piece pushing against my muffler and I bent it up, so that caused my diffuser to actually go down. So now we're just taking the bracket off, drilling another hole and just putting it up. We just lowered the car. We are gonna push it forward a little bit, but damn, that looks mean. I hope I don't scrape going out the driveway, which I probably will, since I scraped actually my muffler and it's a lot lower than my muffler. My camera is half charged, so I gotta save most of the battery I can for pictures we actually take. We got Mike over there with his car, we got Chris with his car, and we got mine. This is how the diffuser looks right now. I just got my camera instead of filming on my phone. But we are gonna go take it on the highway for a nice cruise and everything. So hopefully it hangs in there. These two bolts were loose, so I did tighten them up with the Phillips head, because the two Phillips screws. And we got this one's hanging on a zip tie over there because the bracket we made doesn't hold all this side up, so we just put a zip tie.
This is like in the glass, it's not even like overspray or anything.
So the paint I'm actually painting today is gloss black. Also in the near future, I do want to get my front bumper repainted, because it has all these chips, rock chips and everything. And it has all these dents for people backing into me, and it has the license plate holes, and then it has this toe, so I want to bondo it, then repaint it, get rid of all those rock chips and everything. I also want to get my door redone. This passenger door only has a couple dents in it, which you only notice in the shade, not really in the sun. And then for this door, I have rust right here, and then very bad rust coming in here in this door. You only see it if you really look close at it. And then I also have rust coming in on the corner panel right here too. What do you expect? It's a very old car, 2004, so I expect at least some rust, but it'll get fixed eventually. So this is what it looks like in the sunlight. It is pretty dirty. That when this is dried, I gotta flip it over and match up the paint on the other side of these. You guys can't really see, but I just lowered the car down for now. This is what it used to look like with the old diffuser, if you guys haven't seen the recent videos. And so we did put the gloss on, so I'm letting that dry for 24 hours, and then I'm going to sand it down and polish it, compound it, or actually sand it down, compound, polish, and then wax it. When I painted my front lip, this is how it came out with just, I think it was 1 or 2 coats of clear coat and 1 coat of gloss black. It came out better than I expected. This is what the final product looks like. Came out pretty good for a spray paint job. The only thing I didn't like is that the flares did come out glossy enough to actually look pretty good. I put like 5-6 coats of clear coat on it. I guess it's the clear coat that I used. I just painted this diffuser also, so I'm gonna sand that down and polish it and compound it also. So this is how the diffuser came out. It's now officially painted gloss black. If you guys could see, it's not bad. It's not best it can be, but you don't really look at it as much as you look at everything else with the car. It doesn't look bad. It's nice. It has its gloss on the sides and the top part. That's the only thing I was aiming for, is just the high gloss here. It's a little dirty. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. We have so much more coming to this car, so much more on towards the future. We already got everything else done. We got the carbon fiber hood, fenders, and so much more I have planned for you guys. Whew. This car's coming a long way. coming along. I don't want to show you any other part of the car because I've done a lot more to it. That is for the next videos. Stay tuned for next video. It's gonna be better than this one, and I am out.